Hi guys, so I'm going to be reviewing a tripod mount I got from Amazon. Let me see where I placed it. Okay, it's right here. And it is Vastar. And it is for smartphone, iPad Pro tripod. It's an adapter mount. It says it's only for iPads and iPhones, but I do not have neither of those two things. So I'm going to show you that it does work for other type of phones and iPad and tablets. This is universal and it comes in a baggie. Here is the name of it. And it does not come with a manual. That's the only bad thing. So it has 2 points where you could screw this onto the tripod from 2 angles. We got one here, this part, which this will be where you could hold your tablet from this angle if you want to in landscape. No, this will be for landscape. And then for portrait side, it will be like this one, but it doesn't really matter. It's up to you how you want to use it. Okay, so to move this down and up, you just press the button that's in the back. This little button. Well, let me do it this angle. We'll move this up and down. And then to move this one, it has the button on the sides. It's these two right here. Let's see if I can zoom in. It's these two right here. It will go up and down. And then for this one in the top, you press the button here on the side, this one right here, and it will stretch out. So you can adjust it to your tablet and your phone. Okay, the tablet I am using, oh yeah, I forgot to mention that it does have some cushion here so your device won't slip. It's just a small enough of cushion. It won't slip. I already tried it, trust me. Okay, so the tablet I am using is the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4. It measures 8.27 long by 4.88 inches wide. The diameter is 0.31, and it does not stay with the case. It doesn't stay with the case. This case is too thick, as you can see. So I will have to take the case out. This is slimmer now, and it will fit on this. When you're gonna put this onto your adapter, make sure you're like doing it on a soft surface so it won't crack. I wouldn't want you guys to crack your device. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust this all the way to the bottom. And since this is a tablet, it's taller, I just push this all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to push the top one up. And then place this in the bottom. Make sure you center it. And now all you do is push this down. You hear that? You just keep on going until you don't hear that sound anymore. Keep pushing it down. Make sure it's secured there. There, I don't hear it no more. You can see? You can see right there. It's not falling. Nothing. And now all I have to do is mount it to the tripod. And I'm just using this basic tripod. The name of it is right there. This was my sister's tripod, so I don't know where she got it from. Pretty sure she probably got it from Amazon. So now I'm just here screwing the little screw to the mount. And make sure it's on there tightly. Okay. As you can see, it will fall because all the weight is here, because this is in the in the portrait side. So you will have to put this in landscape if you want to record yourself. You will have to put it like the other way, which I will show you guys. And if you want to record yourself, this is how it is. Let me just put this, straighten it out. There it is. Sorry guys. There you go. You want to record yourself. And there it is. Okay, and like I said, it will topple over there because all the weight is there, and that is because we screwed into this bottom part. If you want to have it like this to record, you will have to mount this side. Let's see. Sorry, you will have to mount it to this side, which let me show you guys right now. And you can center this by just moving it up and down. So let me center it. And there. Now I'm just mounting it to the tripod. And there we go. You can record yourself like that too. And if you want to record doing something, there you go too. You can record yourself doing something. The only bad thing is this Samsung Galaxy Tab. You cannot see the camera because this is blocking it, so it's too much shadow. So what I would recommend you is to move the tablet the other way. I'll show you right now. This way, and like that, there's nothing blocking the camera view when you're recording this way. That's what you will have to do, and it works the same. You just have to tighten it up there. And since this is shorter width, I move this up. You have to make sure you're holding one end when you're pushing down the top end, because this will slide all the way down, and then it will not be tight if your device is too short. Okay. I need a new tripod. This one's not sturdy enough. Okay, there it goes. And then if you want to record yourself like that, you can too, while doing your nails or any project. Okay, now I'm going to show you with the phone. The phone I have is an Android smartphone. It is a LG Stylo Plus 2. And it doesn't work with the case like I said. It's because I have this ring case. Ring case. So this doesn't allow it to stand, you see, because there's something here in the center bothering it. So I have to take this out, and this phone measures 6.10 inches long by 3.13 inches wide, and it has a diameter of 0.29. So the same thing, because lay it down, then you put this down. Oh, I got my finger. And there's how it looks, as you can see. And then if you want to record yourself the other way, just rotate this to record yourself like that too. And this as well, you cannot record yourself that way because the flash will be blocked because of these two bars here. So what you will have to do is this way, and you gotta push this up. Hold this phone there. You see, it stops there, so it's not doing anything. That means you will have to push this all the way up, because this only has a small extension, so you have to push this up. And if you can't push up no more, it's because you have to push this middle centered one more up. And now you can push this more up, you see? Okay, just put the phone there. there we go. Now I can record myself, landscape, portrait, and if I was gonna do like a nail tutorial, the flash won't be blocked because it would be right here. So that is how this tripod mount works, and it does says it's only for iPads and iPhones, but as you can see I don't have neither of those two, and it works perfectly fine. It's universal and it fits. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave a link down below. It comes in handy, and if you don't want to buy a phone tripod, all you have to do is buy this mount thing. And that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.